we're gonna show you what my morning routine is and what I get done every day and how I crush it before I head back into the gym. So let's get going. Woo! Baby, we got a big day set up for you today. As you can see, I got a set up in my little bathroom. I'm gonna walk you through how I get ready in the morning so I can get out there and hit them gains. But first, I'm sitting on my throne, I get to read my mail. So we already opened it up. I got a special treat for you guys, but I want to read you the letter first. Attention, loud guy in the crushing videos. To whom it may concern, I remember in one of your videos you asked for things to crush. I did. In the box you will find 2 horrible digital alarms. One for me, one for my wife. These are all junk and I missed my morning flight because it didn't go off. Please feel free to crush them, or whatever you do, crush the hell out of them. Regards, Silvio Martins. All right, Silvio, I see you. We're gonna crush both of you alarms, and what better way to start the day than hitting that snooze alarm? Let's go, baby! I think that looks real nice. This will be the last time we hit the snooze. I don't use no alarm to get up because I let my metabolism wake me up. That way I can get ready for those gains. Let's go. Crush my alarm. Crush my alarm. One more time. One more time. Sylvia, I hope you're happy. Those alarms aren't gonna be troubling anybody anymore. Woo! All right, let's get ready for the rest of my day. We're gonna start out with some mouthwash here. Hey, there ain't no protein in this. I ain't got time for it. I need mouthwash that got that protein. This is gonna be cutting into my gym. Let's crush that mouthwash. Get off of my altar. All right, what we got next? We got to get a little bit of shaving cream done, baby. We all cleaned up, we all shaven. Now we gotta put a little bit of this powder on our bits and pieces, make sure everything stays dry and cool. All right, what's next? Let's crush that sink. Everybody knows that before you go back to work, you need to wash your hands. All right, well, our excavator bucket's going back to work. It needs to wash its hands. Let's see how it does. My babies, now it's time to finish off the day in style. We need to get rid of this toilet. Our little excavator needs to take a dump. All right, let's go. I knew how to do magic, baby. Make a toilet disappear. Woo! Everybody knows But I ain't got time to be running in no bathrooms when I got stuff to do and making them gains. Everybody knows that when I'm in a jiffy, I gotta be jumping in a biffy, my baby. That's why I got my biffy out here ready to go. We're gonna see what it's like, Brady. He's gonna crush the hell out of that biffy. Cause you know what it means? It means will it crush? More like will it flush, my babies, once we get done. Let's go! My babies, this biffy ain't no more. All right, that's gonna finish up another episode of Will It Crush. This is our Will It Flush edition, my babies. Make sure you want some of us to crush some of your stuff, just like our boy baby Silvio did with his alarm clocks. You better send it in. Our address will be down in the doobly-doo below. And make sure you like and subscribe so you get more of this, so we can get some more gains on our social media and our YouTubes and our Facebooks. Love y'all. Peace out.